Ever pondered about the secret to a healthy, decay-free smile? The answer might surprise you. It's not some expensive dental treatment or a magic potion, but a naturally occurring sugar substitute known as xylitol. Diving into the world of dental health, xylitol holds a distinctive position. This sweet-tasting, low-calorie substance is not some recent discovery. It's been around for over a century, and its benefits have been thoroughly researched and documented. Xylitol is a natural sugar alcohol found in small amounts in many fruits and vegetables. Despite its sweet taste, it doesn't break down like sugar and can help keep a neutral pH level in the mouth. This in turn helps prevent bacteria from sticking to the teeth, reducing the risk of tooth decay. The benefits of xylitol are abundant. It's a remarkable tool for preventing tooth decay and remineralizing teeth. Unlike sugar, which feeds the harmful bacteria in your mouth, xylitol starves them. It reduces the production of acids that erode tooth enamel, promoting an oral environment that encourages the natural repair process. Incorporating xylitol into your oral care routine is straightforward. You can find it in a variety of products, from toothpaste and mouthwash to chewing gum and mints. For those who prefer a more direct approach, xylitol crystals are also available. These can be directly applied to the teeth or dissolved in water as a rinse. It's important to note that xylitol's effects are cumulative. Regular, consistent use increases its benefits. So, to maximize the potential of xylitol, aim to get 5 to 6 grams into your oral cavity spread throughout the day, ideally after meals. Scientific studies have consistently backed up these claims. Research published in the Journal of Dental Research found that xylitol significantly reduces tooth decay and cavities. Another study in the Journal of Oral Microbiology found that xylitol inhibits the growth of Streptococcus mutans, the primary bacteria responsible for cavities. However, like all good things, moderation is key. While xylitol is safe for human consumption, excessive intake can cause digestive discomfort. And it's worth noting that it's extremely toxic to dogs, so ensure your xylitol products are stored safely away from your four-legged friends. In conclusion, xylitol is a powerful ally in the fight against tooth decay and cavities. It's easy to use, readily available, and backed by science. So the next time you reach for a sugary snack, consider swapping it out for a xylitol-infused alternative. Your teeth will thank you for it.